Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Civils Academy. The next topic that we are going to handle in governance is Citizens Charter. It is an important topic and you would frequently find questions from this topic in your mains examination. So the brief outline of the following lectures would be the definition of Citizens Charter, what are the contents of a Citizens Charter, and what are the principles underlying this concept or initiative, and then we will briefly discuss the issues or challenges which we are having to face in implementation of this initiative, and also finally we will discuss Public Service Guarantee Acts, which are an improvement over citizens charters and addresses some of the drawbacks or limitations of citizens charters. Alright, now let us begin with the definition of citizens charter. It is essentially a set of commitments made by the government organizations or institutions on the standards of service or standards of service delivery. Alright, this is the definition of Citizens Charter. It is a set of commitments which are made by government institutions regarding the standards of service which they would offer to the citizens of this country. For example, when you go to a government office, let us say RTO office, and if you want to apply for your driving license, right, the government would guarantee or would make a commitment as to within how many days you would receive your license, right. Similarly, if you want to apply for a passport, right, and again the government would step in and say that we are going to deliver passport to you in 2 weeks, okay. Again, if you want to start a business, the government would again make a commitment to you that you can start your business or you can finish the application process within 1 or 2 days and you will be able to get your license to start a business, right. So these are all the commitments which the government is making regarding the standards of service which it would offer to the citizens. This is the definition of Citizens Charter, okay. Now what are the contents of Citizens Charter? What exactly does it contain? Now whenever you go to a government office, immediately as soon as you enter the office, you would see or notice on the wall that they mention all the services which they are currently offering and what is the timeline or time limits or standards with which they can offer that service, right. This is Citizens Charter. Now whenever you go to a government office, next you can notice that they have this charter on the wall, okay. So first, Citizens Charter is always a public statement. Okay, every one of us, all the citizens would know what exactly are the services which a government office is offering. So it is a public statement. It is not hidden away from the citizens. It is actually or in fact publicized to the citizens. Okay, this is the first feature or characteristic of Citizens Charter. Then it contains the following. First, it would contain the entitlements of citizens. Entitlements of citizens. That is, what are the services which the citizens can expect from one particular government office or institution. Okay, this is the first part of Citizens Charter. Then along with the services which the office provides you, it also mentions the standards. Right? If you go to an RTO office, for example, it will mention that it provides a service of provision of driving licenses. Okay, then immediately it would also mention that you would receive your license within 14 days. Okay, so there would be entitlements of citizens, that is what are the services which the office is offering the citizens, and it would also contain the standards with which the service is going to be delivered to the citizens. Okay, then the next part of Citizens Charter which is not currently being followed in India is that what are the remedial measures? What are the remedial measures which the citizen can expect whenever these standards are violated? For example, if they do not deliver driving license to you within 14 days, then what are the remedies which are available to you as citizens? Okay, this is also generally mentioned in a Citizens Charter. So, it is first of all a public statement. The Citizens Charter is always publicized and all of us can know the contents of Citizens Charter. Then it would contain all the services which the citizens can expect from a particular institution, and what are the standards with which the service is going to be delivered, and what are the remedies which are available to a citizen whenever these standards are violated. This is the definition and contents of Citizens Charter.